Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. You must have guessed from the very thumbnail of this video that this is all about demo lectures. Demo lectures in a teaching position while applying for a teaching position are of great importance. We all know that. And why? Because in that demo lecture, you not only showcase your knowledge, you showcase your passion of teaching. Here's to how you can ace your demo lecture. We have already successfully discussed how to ace your teaching interview. The question here is for whom this video will be useful. This video is useful for all those aspirants who are going to apply, who have applied, who have appeared in government exams like HPSC PGT, KVS NVS and EMRS Tier 2. Yes, there are many other examinations also at state level, and this video will give you how to prepare your demo lecture. What are the things you need to take care of as you prepare for your demo lecture? See, demo lecture, as I've said, forms a very fundamental part of your interview. If you are going to apply for a teaching position this year, mind you, this video is just for you. Here are the list of 5 things you can use to ace your demo lecture. Interview demo forms one of the most important parts of teaching interview. You have the marker in your hand, duster in your hand, board at your back, and you are asked to give a demo lecture. This demo lecture might be in front of the interview screening committee or straight in front of the classroom where a member from interview committee will be there in the classroom assessing students expression, assessing your expression, assessing your voice modulation, assessing your content structure. Yes, demo lectures are very tricky, but using these 5 tips you can ace it like anything. So stay tuned up till end, and if you like the way we are taking up this series, please do like, share this channel. 2026, let us grow together. Please do like, share and comment your reviews in the comment section below. So first thing first, if you are going to appear in an interview anytime soon, I have said this thing many a times that interview is a process. Sitting in an interview, appearing in an interview like a most eligible candidate, you need to take care of many things, and we have talked about all those things in a very detailed and easy manner on our YouTube channel. Go view that first of all and then come to demo lecture. First thing first, preparing early is the key. So first point for demo lecture, here are 5 tips for a perfect, effective demo lecture that you will be giving. Effective demo. In HPSC assistant professor case also, students were asked to give demo lectures, and here are the 5 things with which you can master your demo class. First thing is prepare beforehand. Even before you appear, prepare beforehand. Even before you appear to the interview or in front of the interview committee, make sure you prepare beforehand. Prepare beforehand means you need to prepare 2 to 3 demo lectures beforehand in order to give your best in front of the interview committee. That will not harm you, and you will showcase and you will have command over your topic. Here the clue is you can pick up any topic of your choice or any topics of your choice and prepare your demo lecture as per 10 to 15 minutes timeline. So preparing beforehand will help you in so many ways possible. Yes, if that's the case that the interview committee gives you some of the topics on which you have to give the demo lecture, in that case revision is the key. Consistently revising your syllabi, revising your subject is the key here. But preparing 2 to 3 demo lectures of your choice will be of so many benefits. Second point I would like to highlight is start, when you start your demo lecture, start with a strong hook. Strong beginning. Strong beginning matters. Strong hook matters. I tell you, in an interview, first 60 seconds will determine your complete interview. And in case of demo lecture, if your hook point, your beginning is engaging, the interview committee, the students will get an idea. They will be engaged by the thorough interest बंध जाता है. So start with a strong hook. Do not start with straight definitions. What is this? How is this possible? But start with a very endearing question. Like in 21st century, we are studying William Shakespeare for many centuries now, and you can start, if you are talking about William Shakespeare, you can start with a demo question. Why we still read Shakespeare even in the 21st century when there are so many other writers? Why Shakespeare has such canonical position? If you start with a question, I tell you, you will grab the attention of the committee, the attention of the students, just like that. So second thing, make a strong hook. 2 to 3 डेमो लेक्चर्स प्रिपेयर कर रख लीजिए. स्ट्रॉन्ग हुक से स्टार्ट कीजिए. आप रियल लाइफ एग्जाम्पल से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, आप क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, शॉर्ट एनेक्डोट से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. आई टेल यू, first question, first hook will, if it will be engaging, and if you are engaging students, you can start with a game that is related to your topic. So if you prepare it well, if you prepare it beforehand, you can have hands-on practice of a strong hook. Third thing, and also I forgot to mention that strong hooks, they give idea of your confidence. First minute, first 1 minute, if you are confident about your first question, if you're confident about your first hook question, I tell you, that will showcase your confidence. Third thing is, because you are preparing your lecture beforehand, it is very important to structure your class. I tell you, you are structuring it in 10 to 15 minutes का time limit. तो एक कंप्लीट इंट्रोडक्शन, मिडल और कंक्लूजन देना बहुत जरूरी है. जितना इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे लिए बिगिनिंग है, उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट हैज टू बी आवर conclusion, because you will concluding whatever you have taught in these 10 minutes. You will be concluding that. Concluding will have recap, concluding will have question, because that will affirm that you have, what you have taught has been grasped well by the learners. So you can add one more question at the conclusion section, or you can just go for the recap. Fourth is, make sure as you give your demo lecture, you focus on voice modulation. Voice modulation. Maintaining a steady, mundane or regular tone is just not interesting. What is interesting is voice modulation. Keep your pitch high, keep your pitch low, as about the topic you are teaching, as about the content or the point you are at. So voice modulation will engage your learners, will engage interview committee. So as you have seen, you are listening to me because this topic is engaging to you, this topic is demanding attention from you. So please do like this channel in that matter. Fourth point is voice modulation, and fifth point, very important, as you have focused on your beginning and conclusion, make your demo lecture interactive. केवल टीचर सेंटर्ड ना हो करके डेमो लेक्चर्स असेस भी कर सकते हैं, आप क्वेश्चंस भी पुट कर सकते हैं, इंटरैक्टिव बना सकते हैं, आप समझ सकते हैं कि लर्नर का लर्निंग एबिलिटी कहां तक पहुंची है. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू मेक योर डेमो लेक्चर इंटरैक्टिव. एक वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन होना चाहिए, इंटरैक्टिव होना चाहिए, पहले ही प्लान कर लीजिए, आपका प्रॉपरली स्ट्रक्चर्ड होना चाहिए. टाइम लिमिट के अंदर होना चाहिए। अब डेमो लेक्चर में कौन सी ऐसी गलती है जो आपको बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है? दैट इज अवॉइड पेपर रीडिंग। मेक श्योर you are using your natural hand gestures while you are speaking, you are maintaining eye contact, you are maintaining body proximity. All these non-verbal communication indicators matter even more than what you are communicating. If you are maintaining a steady smile while teaching, I tell you बहुत अच्छा इंप्रेशन पड़ेगा। आई कांटेक्ट मेंटेन कीजिए। अगर इन 5 पैरामीटर्स को फोकस कर कर आप एक डेमो लेक्चर प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं और उसकी कंसिस्टेंटली प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, तो ड्यूरिंग इंटरव्यू nobody will stop you from giving a very impressive and effective demo lecture. And my students, has a bonus for you. If you want me to give a demo lecture in front of this screen, in front of this camera, do let me know in the comment section below. आपने ही कहा था मैम डेमो लेक्चर के बारे में बताइए, तो here I am with this video. In that context, what I am asking for, please do like, share this channel. HPSC PGT के students nearly 2 months हो चुके हैं, result जल्दी ही आने वाला है. Gear yourself up, start revising, start preparing, start working on your communication skills. And here is your channel with the name of Study Simplified 12 and Dr. Neha. हमने इस चैनल पर बहुत इफेक्टिवली HPSC असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एंड HPSC PGT ओरिएंटेड वीडियोस अपलोड की हैं कि आप इंटरव्यूज के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करना स्टार्ट कर दें. सो ऑन दैट नोट, आई थैंक यू ऑल.